Okay, we're at the 2021 Tesla Model Y here, looking at two mud flaps. This one here is the RPM Tesla, and this is the A Premium one from Amazon. You can see there's a bit of a difference in the profile. The one to the right being the A Premium has a little bit more coverage in certain areas. It's a little wider. But the biggest difference between these mud flaps, these are the fronts by the way, are the mounting locations. You have 1, 2, 3, and then here on the side, and I'll show you in a moment, you put a metal clip right at this location, okay? Unfortunately, the RPM Teslas only have 2 mounting locations, and then this tab is meant to stick by the plastic fender piece, trim piece. So let's take a look now that we've seen the mud flaps and what the differences are. Now, the back of the mud flaps here on the Model Y that are installed are not bad. They fit pretty good. That's the RPM Tesla one. But as we walk toward the front of the vehicle and we look at the right passenger side of the vehicle, you'll see this. Mud flap just does not fit well. And then top it all off, you can dislodge this pretty easily. And that's because of the way it fits. The tab here goes behind the panel, and as you can see, I just kind of put it back in. These have only been on for a week, by the way, maybe a week and a half, and they're coming off. Just don't like them. They don't fit right, they don't look right, and the two fronts are identical, and it's just a no-go. So let's go to the other side of the car, look at the A Premium one, the one located on Amazon. As you can see, it's a much flusher fit. Fits really, really nice. No play there at the top, okay? And like I said earlier, this metal clip, okay, clips to this fender liner on the inside, so it's not touching any metal, so it won't cause any corrosion issues to your Tesla. And then underneath over there, there's a factory bolt that you use to secure these mud flaps. So there you go. 2021 Tesla Model Y A Premium mud flaps installed. They look very nice. Match the car quite well. We'll go back, finish it off here at the back of the car so you can see the mud flaps again side by side. Here's the RPM Tesla flapping in the wind. Sorry about that, trying to do two things at once here with one hand. Doesn't work. And then here we are. We can see the difference between the two mud flaps. RPM Tesla, A Premium on Amazon. And you can take a look at the difference in terms of the mounting. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 locations that securely mount this in. RPM Tesla, you have 1, 2 secure mounting locations, and this little tab, okay, that clicks into the black fender wheel well trim. This is not a good design. This is a much better design. These will be coming off of the car, probably putting them in the recycling bin. These will be staying on the car. In terms of the material, they're just as rugged. I would say the RPM Teslas maybe a little softer. Maybe that's why they're flapped so much. These are significantly harder. And in terms of the fit and finish, I mean, they're basically identical in terms of the way they look. I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference about the quality of the textured plastic that they use to make these things. There you go. A Premium, RPM Tesla, no go. 2021 Tesla Model Y.